Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Great. Good evening, my people. This is me once again. Good evening to you all. Good evening. Good evening. I will not stay that long. I will not stay long, but yeah, because 24 BT game I beg you. So let me just do it sharp. My people, now good evening. I greet you now. I beg make una help me share this video. Make una help me share before we go suburb later. Now weekend we day. Una help me share. Now so we day here. Una do where I greet you now. I greet everybody. Help me to share, my people. Help me to share. Now well done on a happy weekend. Now happy weekend. I don't come again. Now this about our brother. About. I watched the video where he do yesterday. I watched the video where he do yesterday. When I watched that video, even the one where he just do this evening, I'll for not come line this evening, but now the one I see say he do few minutes ago. Now I come say okay, make I come line. I watched the video. That one not just long at all, but I watch them. Abat, I will start with you. You know, the other day, you are the one who came out. You told the whole world, Abelstone did this, Abelstone did that. You didn't mention his name, but you were advising people to stay away from him. They should stay clear from him. They should stay away. Baba Sadolo, I greet. Good evening. They should stay away from him. They should do this. They should do that. That he is a betrayer. Do you know what about? Let me tell you one thing. You know, sometimes when you are doing things, you don't even look at your own character. You don't look at yourself. You don't look at your character. You don't even know your behavior. What you did to people. What you did to people. The fight that you said you are fighting now, or that you fought before for the governor. Tony Kabaka did the same thing. The greatest victim of this political shenanigan that is going on today, let's just say it, let's call it that way. The biggest victim is Comrade Tony Kabaka. It's Comrade Tony Kabaka. He supported the governor. Because of his support, he cannot visit his family. His children, his wife, all setting Yamiya in Canada for the past how many years? For the past how many years? Was it not because he was supporting the governor that he got what he got? Is it not because he was supporting the governor that he got what he got that led him not seeing his children and his wife? When he now decide that I don't want to support the governor again, what did he get because of your mouth wailing every day? Talking trash to him every day about. His hotel was demolished. Let me tell you one thing about. We might say Abelstone betray you. Betraying somebody is painful. Well, where am Abelstone? How did you get Abelstone? How did you know Abelstone? Was Abelstone not Comrade Tony Kabaka boy? If someone can betray his own father, then automatically who are you to him? That he will not do it to. Who were master Comrade Tony Kabaka? Will we act because a governor or because you thought you were the mouthpiece of the governor that you can do undo? I felt your pain that day, but you are going too far. You are going too far. When I watched your video yesterday, you are a man now, you are a father. You are not ready to learn. How about? You are not ready to learn. You forgot a lot of people you destroy. Even Denko Dennis Idaosa, where mommy, you forgot. When wayaka where erioriate yagbe ijebo okpawa the nenevi campaign. You forgot. My brother, think about yourself, what you have done to people. Don't be claiming victim. You are not a victim in this game. You are not a victim. I felt your pain that day. That is it. I felt your pain. I know what it is when you are being betrayed. But you are not a victim here. Anyone who will terrorize you, how do you think they will be feeling? How do you think? No, it is good because you know why I did it, my brother Godwin. Let me tell you. When you are a victim of something that you knew nothing of, and especially that person is your friend, you will have pain, you will pity. If it never happened to you, if friend never betray you, you not gonna know how you be. But if friend don't betray you, you are ready to do anything doable. Even the person where you support, even the person where did something happen to, at that moment, if that person a devil, you go just say, okay, may I support this devil, this moment, because it happened to them. You understand? Know that you don't know what that person have done. Know that you don't know the sin, the atrocity this person have committed. You are now hungry now. Yesterday you came out. This person, one of my friend, he said you are owing him money. Go and pay. Are you the mouthpiece? Are you the Olidara? Are you the tax collector of that person? When the person was giving Ebostone the money, were you there? Were you there? Were you aware that he was giving Ebostone money? Yeah, you were doya suma about. Ona igbinere na when ugengi munyaun. Na mi know a pass, na mi go do a pass, na mi go do a, na mi go mwe weather there, na mi go do this ebwede. Is what you are doing. Those are the things that is creating mess for you. Huh? The same way, when I can't see, I go watch your video again. Because I only talk about your side, because I know say it painful. The same way you said Ebostone recorded you, the same thing you have also. Information concerning Ebostone. You say Ebostone get your record, he get this. But waiting Ebostone do secretly too, where people don't know. You still get record. So two of you now betray each other. Two of you now betray each other because you were also gathering information to nail him down. Why you were just friends on benefits. Because if you can be gathering evidence to use in nailing your friend in case of incasity tomorrow, then tell me. Eri monona, eri EFCC awa moe, eri onona awa moe, eri enokpa awa moe, eri enokpa awa wonona, eri awa yegan. You were also gathering things that you will use to blackmail him. So the two of you are just friends of benefits. Friends of benefits. Use me, I use you. Use me, I use you. Use me, I use you. Two of you are the same people, the same category. You are use me, I use you. That is what two of you are. Because why I said you are use me, I use you, you they gather Ebostone evidence down. Why that one they gather your own down? But they can only if your area was worst. Because you never strike. You never strike. It's possible he was also sent a message. It's possible he was also sent a message. Because your way not clear. You too destroy a lot of people. You too beat them. Insult them. Since this thing happened, Abba, let me give you advice. Since this thing happened, Now only you want the talk. Oh. You see the maturity Ebostone is giving to you. The maturity that he is having above you. The maturity where I you are the only one coming out to cry now. You are the only one coming out to become Olidara. That you want to draw money, tax collector. Your friend, he said you are owing me money. You should come and bring the money. Were you not with him before that friend was giving him money? The friend, because that one too also wanted something too. That friend that on it, is it now that the friend is now telling you that Ebostone is owing me money, draw my money for him? Is it now, Abat? Is it now? And you call such person your friend? Where they luenwa? Can't you just use your brain here, Abat? Can't you use your brain here? Excuse me. Because when I said you should use your brain, somebody was giving Ebostone money. He didn't tell you. But because you guys now have problem now, they started bringing their secrets, their dirty knowledge, what they did with Ebostone behind closed door. And they are using it to tell you. And you are coming on live video to come and disgrace him. My dear brother, some of us, man, you hear me, Abat? Man, you hear me? Many of us, we get brain, we get sense. We get sense. We get sense. Two of una betray each other. Two of una. Because if you talk that they say, you no get evidence where you want to nail Ebostone. I'll for say you are a real victim here. But you get evidence. You get evidence. You say you get evidence, you get proof, you get this way you will take send and go jail. That EFCC will be after him. You said you have all those things. So why is it now that you that threatened somebody few days ago, you are still the same person coming out again to come and my friend say, you are owing me this, come and give me my trouser, come and give me my wristwatch, Abat, oh yeah, na get your momo. You understand? Oh yeah, when I get your momo, the same way he record you now, the same way you two do. You get your own. Now if now first strike na be odunga. Maybe they pay you say you not quit strike when you supposed to strike because you feel say okay na friends. Hustling grand waye. Political arena waye. Abe political igbiyagia is what it is. Jumping from one party to another, all in the name, we are following governor. We are working for governor. A governor, is he not a man like you people? Is he not a man like you people? I'm ashamed of you guys. The truth. The youth are fighting over old men ruling them. If two of una now say you they fight now say, oh, you want to become a PDP gubernatorial candidate and Ebostone want to be a candidate for APC. I go to hear that one say that one una want wash una dirty lineage outside. Not be the one way be say una they serve. Una they serve on that person where reach to be una papa where they supposed to even don't pension. They're supposed to don't pension. Which age they take the pension for Nigeria? Where all these politicians, whatever they call them, political thief, see the rule over una. Una wanna be like Buhari trouser way wear for Imo State. The truth. Why? Especially you, Abat. You know they use sense. You know they use brain. You just did one. You never even fight one finish. The next thing now comrade Lampton or Yahi. Do you think everybody is a manipulator like you? There is nobody that will see that those are, let me tell you, comrade Lampton or Yahi have genuine love for his state than you, Abat. Your own is just for your pocket. You said now, you never fight, reach 6 months. You never fight, you say you don't tire. They do again. Because he has conscience. He got conscience. He don't want his state to be sold to Fulani S-men. He has conscience. If now you go see the sugar cutter. If now you go see the painter for Edo people. You go paint and you carry rotty tomatoes, come at you, paint and give Edo people, sell and find tomatoes, you sell and give them. Now the whole of them are all crying. Okay, can they pay you now, say, Comrade Lantina not want to make the governor do something. You can't they feed the pay now, say, okay, Comrade Lantina say, he not want his own state to be sold to Fulani, that the governor should work or retire. If you dey support person, the person the hero, you no go correct, huh? You no go correct, huh? Now only your hand me see say person not fit correct because your own are one way. You ready to sell anything sellable? Where can see? Where can see? Where can see? Now you tell where can see all Edo people, both home, diaspora, everywhere. You use and capture all of them. Go look all of them now. Then take support now. They are all crying. I was reading one thing the few hours ago. Huh? Even Pachasi, the house and that one is coming out. We understand the governor. And those are strong people that supported him from APC to PDP. They are now saying they don't understand him anymore. Mr. Messi, good evening. If those that supported him like you, they could now see that, okay, things is not all right in Edo State. And they said they don't want it to be like that. They said they don't want their state to be like that. How about, can't you give them chance and zip up? Is it first that they must continue to support the governor? First, I support the governor. Okay, you are not coming out now to come and attack Comrade Lantin Oriahi. Emi Danwa. Because he has conscience. You saw that don't have now. You are running to Lagos. The same Lagos you claim is not good for Edo people. But Joseph agreed. The same Lagos you told the Edo people, do not be Lagos, do not be Lagos, do not be Lagos. Uya Govemana, come and see the way can see. He is tying this road. Where can see is doing this. Where can see is doing that. Make a shock una the latest way they talk now. Una never hear. Oh, Turugbe. Hey. Our governor say, why he never get commissioner now? Because he come up from APC, come PDP. I beg my people, PDP not get a vibrant youth. Where you go become commissioner? Where you go become SSA? Hey, which kind one chance? Our governor say, why the in delay? Now because he come up from APC go PDP. Now he making delay to get commissioner. Inyana nave oni kia. Inyana nave oni kia. Say okay, PDP no get youth. Almost a day been di no lelewe so that they were doing all things without bat. Me I tell you more nya denko. Is almost a day not there. Can she hold one position? Oh, Koko Bioko. This one not be Godfather again, no. Governor don't change maths now. Governor say, now because he come up from APC, go PDP, now he make they hard them for him to get commissioner, for him to get SSA, for him to get all the book boy. Now that one be the new song now, the latest song. Now that one be the latest song where those people they sing now. Where he come out from government house now. Say he come out from APC. Now he cousin. So meaning there was something special about the APC then. Oh. There was something special about the APC. Why the governor come dey talk now say now because say he comot from APC go PDP and I make am dey hard am for him to get even the people waiting I don't read so far today. The people where he can't screen the something. Where he say make they can't screen a civil servant. Now see private company can't they screen civil servant for Edo State. Out of every governor where did the 36 states, now only Edo State they backward. Now only Edo State we not figure one flyover. Now only Edo State we not get railway where be say we not get. Now only Edo State our market born till now they never green build anyone. 7 markets born for Edo State till now they never build anyone. But then they collect eternal revenue. Where about talk that they say Boston they collect for 400,000 naira every day. For 400,000 naira every day. Una know the work where Boston be. Na those Obaseki police. Na Boston be. Obaseki police ni ya golele ya khian. Na Obaseki na Boston be. So from that job now, from Obaseki police, in they get for 400,000 naira every day. About otai, imotai. Ije, good evening. Joyce. Koje Bota. Huh? Non be me talking, na about talking. He say Boston they collect for 400,000. That for 400,000. You see that say that day now that they show video. Wasota, Ray Fulham, everywhere feed up for Ugbawo. If they go yao that 400,000 where Boston they collect, where Abba say Boston they collect. If they go yao go carry all those laborer, may they go dig a gutter for that place. Una sure say that 400,000 where one person they eat one day. He no go fit do something for that wasota. The gutter no go open, make water they flow, they pass up. Our governor say you know want corruption. The governor say you know want Agbe, but now Agbe will come plenty pass. So tell them me boys don't they talk now say some of them they collect 400,000. Na bati taladiano. Maybe ni kai ni yamagi taladiano. Ne do ya robeni. The state is going down. If they fight now, if they talk to Comrade Show now, say, why Comrade Show go come they talk say, he not do again. He not want me Fulani collect the land. So how about? You want me Fulani collect Edo State? Because everywhere you go, you go. A lot of news when me don't hear. They say people know they go far for Edo State again. Nobody they go far for Edo State again. Unless you just get your small garden for your backyard. That is the only place you are safe. Maybe you get a 200 by 200 now. You can't build house for 50 by 100. The remaining side, you can't go they plant cocoyam. Small cassava they put where you and your family go eat. They say now only those people, they get food now. For our grandmama, our papa, auntie way they village, they no get again. Fulani, they rape many of them. That's why those states be up and down because a lot of abomination don't food the land. You imagine a woman or mama where Fulani go rape for road or farm. You sure say that old woman go Greek talk come out, say they rape him. Because maybe the stigma no come they say of your Fulani or your rape who are. The whole state, the south, now that one me want make Edo state governor tell Edo people. All the south, they don't sign anti-grazing bill. Anti-grazing bill means say, they no want to they see cow melu for outside again. The rest state don't sign her. Now only our governor no agree sign. Well, when the governor come here, the reason he no agree sign. My people, make we ask governor. The reason why he no sign that bill. He when a Fulani Belivia do for no sign here. Lagos state governor don't sign. A lot of states don't sign. All the southern, no be not oh. Even not some northern governor don't reject. Even Kanu governor reject. Say he no want see cow for outside again. Another thing. Oriobe ga do tove do bagi guve hyoto noriobe is a question. Vagu mwesi ofoti noriobe is a question. All this issue, they use and create chaos. We see say we know their house, it not go affect us. But you forget say you get mama for house, you get auntie for house, you get family for house. You forget say you go to Nigeria one day. Governor no gree sign the anti-grazing bill where the whole state don't sign. The 17 governor, all of them don't sign. Now only our state no gree sign. One no him no yaka. They talking here do mune fulani. We should know. Delta state governor don't sign. Say he no want see them again. Lagos don't sign. Agbe to a. Lagos every south they don't sign before. Now only 3 of them remain. It can't be like saying now 2 of them remain now. Edo State no green sign. Edo State no green sign. The heartbeat of the nation. When it be saying now we supposed to be the number 1. No man keke we no riobe do mi mato. No riobe do mi ma kekbe. Oui, ma emo vene nu nam di kanuje. Orive marive ko. Ma emo vene son degbo oje. Wa mieni ema. E vibrant do no ladi no sheke ya. Where Buhari, if you don't give me this, one more ever door, we don't have it. We don't have it. The only thing we know how to do, we come on social media, we make noise. Noise maker like Abatobaze. Coming out to criticize all those that don't want to belong anymore. Is it force? Is it force? Do you think it's a lot of people that have that strong heart like you? That when you see that these things are not good, but you keep on telling Edo people, it is good, it good, it good. But you know deep down, you know say it's not good. But you want shove and put for Edo people neck. You want to make Edo people swallow and make them they eat them. Come Relanti say you no support for that kind of thing. Leave the man alone. You must not fight with everybody about your own is getting too much. Oh, one year though. Iyamamwe government has inu emunu eve. The government house, you cannot even go again. You know if you go government house long ago. Why are you now bothered that person is supported and is now find out that, okay, this is not good for my own family? Because money it go really know say, this thing not be waiting good. I cannot just be staying and be broadcasting for somebody. Meanwhile, my state is going down. My state is going down. Fulani Esme is taking over my state. And you want them to keep on. Not be everybody get that wicked mind. Not be everybody. In the laugh. Come relanting the whaler. What is that? What do you mean by that, Abat? What do you mean by that? Is it forced to eat bitter leaf? The man say he don't want that kind of thing. Because governor when they support, the governor no green sign the anti-grazing bill. He no even carry and go the House of Assembly where them be 5 or 8. He no carry and go there. What is the reason of the governor holding the anti-grazing bill, whereby every southern state in Nigeria, they signed it? What is holding our governor back? Or you not watching for ITV? You not watching for ITV? When people they call and why wait to make it tell them the reason why you no green signer? Now only you one never sign. He no green sign. Huh? A patch and see the house and now they come out now say you not can understand the governor again. Those are the pillar, the brain boss. Then they complain. If the elderly ones are complaining, those that eat, drink, and dine with the governor are complaining. Who are you about? When I equal not like government house, who are you now to stop those not to complain? You now you run go Lagos. Not be everybody go fi go Lagos. Not be everybody where support governor go fi go Lagos. A lot of people are crying silently that this is not what they support. You know they go the governor war. Go the governor war, may you go see all his supporters and then they blast and there. You go to governor war. Go to the governor war. Go to his Facebook page and see how they are blasting him. Seriously. Now the same people where be say, you use that your platform. Take deceive. Every time when I tell those that can read, that can digest whatever they read, they should go to the governor war. Not be the one to come out. Hey, I support governor. Don't talk to governor. Go to the governor war and go and see the real supporters there. That they are all against him now. Nobody is happy with what the governor is doing. He just enter post second time. He sit down for everything. How will a state move forward when 4 people are ruling the state? How can Edo State move forward when 4 of them are just sitting down on every things in Edo? Baba Itway, Banyuma, where you're in? Now we run yesterday. Oh, they see you now. You and Madam. I totally for now. 24 bit. How you back book movie now? How you go sit down, you go want, you go they happy say your state they go down. Fulani Esme they take over. So you just want say because Comrade Lantin Oriahi, the Comrade show, he supports governor. So he have no right to talk to the governor. He have no right to tell the governor his own opinion. He have no right to criticize the governor. But not be everybody be like you. Not be everybody be like you where get strong mind. Not be everybody be like you. The other day you came out. You came out, you say you never sleep for 3 days. You look so haggard. You look so haggard. Even pity no ever. But the one you are not doing yesterday, hey Boston, go bring the trouser, go bring this one. You don't need to do that. You see, say Ebo no talk. Those are silent killer. Those are silent killer. You are coming out now to cry to the whole world. Now the same you, they tell the whole world say you be friend. Now they say you, if Ebo go find trouble, come now you, they carry the fight for head. I will worry agbe Comrade Tony Kabaka ne. They Comrade Tony Kabaka try no one over here where Ebo when he make koko. Una mwe dade. Is it not what you were doing? Comrade Tony Kabaka is the greatest victim in all of these political things. For the past how many years, he could not see his family, could not see his wife and children. Upon that, they destroyed his own hotel. You are not coming to claim victim. He betrayed me. He betrayed me. You were happy when Ebosto betrayed Comrade Tony Kabaka. You were happy. You were happy. You quickly. You liaise with Boston. 2 of you can become friend. Now you can they cry. Don't wear who propo na yak biyawo. Ave yak biyale. Osek be mi yakin. Osek be mi yakin. Bansu wegbe. We enjoy. You enjoy him now. Enjoy him. Enjoy him. You see now. The day Comrade Tony Kabaka came out. Where ya woe or money me a child when me I train. You can't come out, they beat me, they disgrace me for public. Me can't cry, come and say, you this my pikin, you be betrayer. You this my pikin, you where me train. You where me do this for. No, now you are bad, the Egbe Wager, the King Kong, the Kung Fu, the Superman in Edoland. Now you carry head come out. Now you can't talk to Comrade Tony Kabaka. Una do yagbon kan were una wash he cannot see his family. They destroyed his hotel. Uma goni wula jan do wash wula jan do paint white wash You didn't look back. You didn't look back. So you don't know now say person wey be say betray person. Now 1 spoon that they tell they follow am. I have here 1 spoon. So you no say go reach your turn one day. Now it can't reach your turn. You can't say make the whole world can't help you cry. Which word won't help you cry about? Which word won't help you cry? The word in Okiangi Dogu where via me, I cannot help you cry. That first day I pity you because the way I see you, you look broken. Every normal human being. Every normal human being. But when you start to talk, you get waiting, you take name, you get this, you get that. It's two people who betray themselves. A betrayer, a betrayer, all right, be. A betrayer, a betrayer, all right, be. But when my own man who betray. When my own man who work against. When to when my own man who betray. E still less in he don't go there then na wa magbina. Only a betrayer. Comrade Tony Kabakawo, only a betrayer no where would die. Ah? Evani Kabo, Baba o Shomolevo, no muere na worry, no rigor renu about Ireva, our mema soy. But I am asking you that question now, the truth. I am asking you, did you not betray Comrade Adams Alio Shomole? Is a question. I be the same thing a governor. Before nobody know governor. Truth. Now Comrade Adams bring and come. And don't vote for her. But you see the betrayer, when he still do to you now. Umabege. A governor will push you well for her. Only a betrayer. Our governor also betrayed you. If you want to look at it that way. Because you are Obaseki, you were the town crier. You make all the people, both home, diaspora, everywhere. You recruited a lot of people on this social media to vote for him. You did your job fine for him. What is the repercussion today? Emi no sunu azewe, obe sunu wazokoko. Emi no sunu da kabaka. Obe sunu da we. Bioe. Okome. The Oyibo say a betrayer is always a betrayer. A betrayer is always a betrayer. Call it the other way. So a betrayer is like that. You guys betrayed Comrade Adansali Oshomole. Ama Yoviere go for good 4 years. Godfather, 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 Godfather. Godfather was everywhere. Now, another music don't come. How about where you go as well? Please go and help our governor to sing that song. Go and help him now to sing another song now. The new song now, he not the APC. Now because he decamp from APC to PDP, now he making not get a commissioner, now he making not get out. That is the new excuse now. City boss, agree to Baba. Happy weekend. That is the new song. Only hear the one in town now. Where ya go swear? Where ya go swear? Emina Gbona, Osegbe, Emi Yahin. Everything in life is turn by turn. Everything in life we define Baba. Everything in life is turn by turn, my dear brother Obaseki. You betrayed a lot of people. How am I? But if you can't see person where they come, you go one push and come out. May they not betray you. You were scared. You were scared. You hold a Boston tight. Meanwhile, I think now you are Osazee no what even fair no before a Boston. Now two they close pass before a Boston. But all of a sudden, you now became friend with Tablestone. You started pursuing Osazee no holding. You pursue Apostle Alfred. No way Apostle Alfred a oyame. I will be running now amusok molata. Please help me to share. They are trying to bring my video down. Wagume ashoy because they don't like truth sometimes. But exit your bone, my dear brother. But I'm advising you. You need to cool down. But rather walk by Agua. Why is it so? You buckle up, zip it up, and hold the little one that makes you a man. Hold it. And no do a tell where no. Mama rioni mahon. We no 1 year am again. We no even 1 year am. Say, now so he go bring, he go borrow, my friend borrow her money. Or say, well, if they too worry, say maybe because you no one just mind your business. You for tell that person, wait, you they play the voice record yesterday, say, mereva buwega arigonea. Because you were you doing so say in Wema. You were doing a live video no there. Papa super great. Who were you doing so say in Wema? The governor is not working. The whole world can see. Everybody that supported him, wounded civilian, name it all. They are all complaining, nothing to show for it. You yourself about Obaseki, you know. You know why me rock bamula, you know where me no say nothing. Now when Osazee they go bring a motor park. Meanwhile, that's not the motor park where Apostle Alfred go bring. So the Apostle Alfred can they give those people motor park 2 times. All together making it 3 times. It now show that there is no project. Osazee power plant or Osazee is not coming. Osazee is not coming from Ologbo. Osazee is not coming. Osazee Edo is filled with erosion. Go see your horror where they show yesterday. That's why I just say look. Sometimes the thing, when they say talk about Edo State, you know they interest me again, no, the truth. You know they interest me because waiting we want to talk where we not talk before. Waiting we not talk where we not talk before for this media since last year. I been not be last year we started to talk all this talk. Waiting we not tell Edo people. The ones where they social media they say na it good. They make we us eat and like that. The tomatoes is for everybody to eat and benefit. As we they eat and make we they drink water. The only prayer be say, make it not be say, your papa or your mama go be victim of the erosion or whatever may happen in Edo State. Either by Fulani Esme. That is the prayer you will be praying for them. We have to say the truth here. The only prayer that you need to be praying for your family back home, that they should not be victim. Victim of Fulani Esme, victim of kidnapping, victim of erosion washing Ogwedion away. Erosion sunken Ogwedion. The Ogwedion are sunk. We should be happy. We should be praying. My God, 24 BT ayasun. Huh? Why is it that how about we be the one now coming out to claim victim? How about you cannot claim victim in this situation? You are not the victim. 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 It dey painful. Now who never experience that finish. But say you be victim, you are not a victim. You are not a victim. Yeah. Even people where support where all of una gather campaign, many of them don't they talk now say, if you compare the 1 year, 2 years of Comrade Adansali Oshomole, he walk past this our governor. You are not the victim here, Abat. You are not the victim. Do you know how many victims you have? Even late back at Teosa. What is among the victims? How am I? When man unu manu where's you know unu don't where the platform when yam boto. Late Park after Osa is also a victim. It's a victim. Oh, we don't claim a victim. I claim a victim. Umami no over there, honey. I only pity you. Because every human being have their weak points. Don't claim victim. Don't claim victim. You use your mouth. You recruited a lot of people. You use it to downgrade Park at Teosa. You downgraded Adam Sali Oshomole. Divya don't know where Mamubotoi. Yasegbe pastor is a yamu. De manu wema iti de manu wamamuboto. Area ya campea. That was not the kind of politics we know. Politics, you don't need to insult individual. You don't need to insult individual. So long they are not the candidate, they are not the flag bearer. But all about on a Keno a flag bearer, Keno a flag bearer, on a recruiter manibun to be insulting innocent people. You live those days for politics. Now who want come out con contest, now that they talk to. Now who want come out con contest, now that they talk to. But how about not change again mini? Ona change, ona ya change hiyoge kana change hiyogudo. Ona change hiyoge mi ya fe. You will not come out to say you are a victim. You are not a victim. U popo na ya gbiyawo, aave ya gbijale also egbe in both side. In both side. Ah. Komre kaba Tony kaba kama wina ne Arioba. Won sunu dai ne na Arioba no wina na. Won sunu dai. Huh? At least our governor was his uncle. Oh yes, upon Oja no that he cannot see his wife and his children. Cost because of all this nonsense. What's your name? Eklebe victim, my brother. You are not a victim. Very honey. We're betray money. We're betray money. One way very only where Eminu Udama Enya Udawe. Eminu Udama Enya Udawe. You should be praying when do I maybe different people from different angle. Only Runuwiagana. That okay, let it just be one person. Okay, governor Noronya, as far as the governor win my own as I heard. A betraying, you know. A betraying, no, because you make the governor to become even more popular. With your mouth. With your mouth. You recruited a lot of people. Come and join. Come and join. Come and join. Come and join. You were the one. So you even gave the governor the popularity. I will say. But at the end now, what is the outcome? It is the dancing in your mouth. When will you get? I will be coming out 9 o'clock for the comrade show, Lantin or Yahi. So if person can't say they support, he not can support again, make his state not go down. Then you will come to beat that person. Yes, you know about. My brother, me I want mudiaka video no awe. The truth. Ya mudiaka video no awe. Ya mudiaka video no awe. Dege by force I am mugbize ana wari mugbize. Dege by force I am mugbize ana wari mugbize. There is no normal human being all man never ne deg be ko no hori be ko or feel the pain anywhere. Even me ya sebu yan e o rije. Emi hu kan sunu e man ni bon fie mi jin e ho. E wounded civil an rike do go la dian we onu e man e wounded civilian ti e we wari obon yari oba yeke. Ah? Today now wounded civilian is he singing the same news? The same music you read na. No, because they have good heart. Any they are doing it. It's not for money. Those that have genuine love for their state. You see anybody coming out to say, Iriu. See, we shouldn't criticize them. The truth. We shouldn't criticize them. We should be happy that finally they realize that it is not what it is. A penty, no. It is not what it is. So we should be happy and be praising them. That even if you support somebody, but when that person is doing wrong, you have the right to advise and criticize. If you want to criticize, not be say I'll call support person, then the person don't they do bad, then I not go talk, I not go do anything, I'll just they say okay, no problem. I'll see come out. Where can see? I'll see come out. Where can see? Meanwhile, Ehuaro, Eyavie, Amoro, Eilobiaji. I'll see come out, I can't paint the picture. Not be everybody get that kind of bad mind. If people wait, maybe a lot of people wait, be said then they at those stages, they not want to talk. Now, because now you have a vian who yegan. Because it don't happen before. Ah, call I doc my yema yegan. Come. Eh? Huh? People where they abroad, if they talk, then go say me they not come house again. Una list they grant. Una list they grant. Then what about who want your kukuma say making your talk for that Benin where this thing not good or not lie we talk. Where you think say you go? Oko prison, no? Or why renovate Oko prison? Hey, when you know one all live. I see video. He's building Oko prison, no. He ain't want bad prison, bad prison. Osewani alako. Abati yegbese no ya ari oko. Ulale edono vi Lagos ine yegbese. Abati yegbese. A governor of the Oko prison yard. Oh, I expand eh. Eh, bosto okbakian we nuka eh. Bosto okbakian e prison iwa bona. Ama beki na vijima. A Kenyan army 400,000 every day. Our mothers cannot shade. They are shading under the sun, under the rain. E khara ihwe kigifi ya goe. E khara. E ihwe kigifi ya goe ya tota yuwe ame agbinya ba ofen akanya. E yan ya goe. There is no shade. At least even multi-millionaire, maybe a businesswoman, at least with her business, she became a multi-millionaire. Eya anje ya boss yoto. Anje ya boss yoto. Abi you not see video a few days ago where one of our mama they bring and say the governor they destroy their appreciate. E keniviere na himi. Ijo the bulldozer all they go. Ijo the bulldozer all they go. I think that side now from Mugbawo. The bulldozer all they go. I hear say they say don't bulldozer for airport road too. A lot of stores where they there. I want clear. Phew. But those people will not be compensated. Huh? You go destroy person property, but you not go give the person 1 penny. The food where that person they see food, eat, feed their children or feed his children, you collect her from her, but you not compensate her. It's not good now. It's not good. And not be say you want to do something there. Oh yeah, I agree. Good evening. Not be say you want to do something there. Not be say you want to build something there. Not be say you want to renovate the area. You want to make the area beautiful. But rather, our governor ogwa. Oh wawe awaka. Oni awa wa law na. O our governor ogwa. Iyana wa emi nume wa. Awa make. Bio Awa make. They say for airport road. Oh, again. Again. Ogbane, my people. Ogbane, let us enjoy it. Now, they enjoy am, it not concern me. I only try to pity una. That's why I did try to talk. Maybe the governor go see pity. Good evening, Frederick. I greet you now. Happy weekend, Titi. It's easy. Huh? I just the pity for una way there, so. Una way still get papa and mama for there. I just the pity for una. We now, we not care. Even if na 30 years, we not step in, no problem, no shaking. No shaking. We not care. That is just it. Somebody like me. Long ago, almost 50 years now, when my apartheid died. So, mana, mama, so, I don't work cannot my hello, young boy, mana, it's like that. It's like that. So, when some of us are talking, we are only trying to help. We are only trying to correct. For especially those that still have parents there. If you now way past Libya come, you risk your life, you can't suffer, you can't get something here. Then you they also maybe you will come here, they'll come call you, or your brother will come call you, come say, hey brother, hey, you see, mama just go from me, just go uproot cassava. Fulani Esme just go meet her there. They just beat and doing this rape. Will you be happy? Will you be happy? Will you be happy? These are things that we are trying to correct. That the governor should do the needful. Every state they don't sign. Now, those states, he no agree sign. He no sign anti-grazing bill. Our governor no sign. He no agree sign. He no agree sign. They can even see whether for ITV. Because I know say he did there. He no green sign. Now only you want no green sign. He and one other governor. The rest 17 governor, about 15 of them don't sign. He remained there too. I go bring and come out. Because people they quarrel that day that he need to sign the bill and save Edo people. He need to sign and save Edo people. But okay no. Am I muye House of Assembly ama weteni ado pass a bill? Rather, a governor or human that is supposed to be saving life is winning politicians enemy award. You know what kind of award is that? That a state governor will be proud of I won a politician of the year. When you cannot even achieve one flyover in your own state. Now understand though. Me no understand. I know I feel just go back the same way, but I just say make I just they live and they relieve. They relieve small, make I still let them breathe. But this one, you know they sign bill. You know they secure the life of people for Edo State. Kidnapping full everywhere. Full and ESM full everywhere. Plus that erosion. Then people will come see the beg and make it go sign the bill, sign the bill. Then they go sign the bill. Oh, come baba. You see, bandit, kidnapper, Biniya Unchi Road. Our governor, they slow for a lot of things. He's very, very slow. He's very, very slow. He's very, very slow. And they try to look for her from ITV. When those people, they beg her. If I not see him, I'll look for him, post him for my Facebook wall. It ITV. It is only a Edo State governor that is remaining to sign anti-grazing bill. Say he no want them, he no want see them for our street again. He no want see them. Yes, now Chelsea, the house done the verse. He done the verse now. Is in the ask now which way government be. These are people where do a wage follow from APC to PDP. All of them are now stepping back. They are now stepping back. Me, I go see. The one where Rice man where he say the governor don't build hospital for 192 wards. He go show us the hospital later. He go show us the hospital. 192 wards we get for Edo State. Rice man say governor build hospital for all of them. He go show us. He go show us. How you go say they build hospital for 192 wards? Then Edo people not fit go there. Edo people not fit go there. If I not see me, I don't go. I'll go look for her. Cause he never take. Last month, almost ending of last month, Then tell am make he go sign the grazing bill. Make he save Edo people from the hands of Fulani Esme. Yes, now Dangote no go let am sign the bill. Not true, now he friends now. How he go come sign the bill? Meaning he want crumble his friend business. He want crumble his friend business. It not good. It not good. It should value Edo people. For about Obaseki to be claiming victim, about you are not a victim. You are not a victim. You get me? You are not a victim. I felt your pain because why? You people were so close. You were like two brothers. This one pikin go do birthday, una go. This one, your wife born, he go. Your pikin do birthday, he was there. So such friends, una not supposed to betray una self. That is what I see about this. But I don't wear Emi Osiemi. Even where ya mwe that then and I mean no pass. It's possible is one of the reasons where he make able do that into you. It's possible is one of the reasons where he make able do that into you. See now, comrade show don't do his show finish. The man go rest, go inside house. If he be said today now, he go the party where they won't do, where 24-bit won't do. Where you want any ulaja. Kamre lanti wela. Obiara weli vebueri. He has no other state. Where are ye Lagos hinyebo wenya abati? Where ye Lagos hinyebo wenya? Uwe wa ya rente flati. Abiya ni tie 4+4 le labati wa wene wa ge rente e flati veko. Ora rente flati veko. E huwe nonu wa. Do not be Lagos in water, meaning waj ogokbunu waje. But we are rente flat in Lagos. Hey, if about rent flat for Lagos, it's a shame for 4+4. It's a shame. It's a shame for 4+4. So meaning it was deceiving you guys. Many Abbas was lying to you people. He now compared the two now and see that okay, he got your bagire, governor, Haitia is a Sean. We can see governor every day. So he now suffer gradually now move to Lagos. This na person where use all of una sing. I don't know be Lagos, but a Lagos in a Lagos in Yana Yamwe flat now. That one not be shameful thing. Why would I not call and ask him the reason why in they go carry flat? Baba, you want to make una ask him the reason whether Lagos better pass Edo State. Make about come tell una. Because he say I don't know be Lagos. He has to give you people the reason why he is going to Lagos. Lagos that he said is backward. Lagos system that he said he doesn't want in Edo State. Why is he not going there? How about you like vomit well, my brother? Like vomit well, make him go rojonona. He want tama wena. Minaya kwa yaku. Like vomit well. Don't not be Lagos. Wega mwe flati ve Lagos. Una reto wa ve Lagos. Hey. It's a disgrace then. It's shameful for those who believed in you. Ayehwe muya. Yati ojota. My two oshodi. Yati oni. Yati my two oshodi. Iwa tama wena. Abat. Fiegbe weregbe. Ware amagba wani. Amagba is where you belong. Don't go to Lagos. Amagba is where you belong, Abat. Truth has to be told. Amagba is where you belong. It's not Lagos. You already told the Edo people that Lagos is not good. You already told the Edo people that you don't want Lagos in Edo State. He has a lot of enemy now. Even he don't become enemy with the governor. Abat and governor not they play game. Hey. Abat and governor no dey play again o. But wetin dey pay me pass be say na those wey believe and say Edo no be Lagos. Meanwhile na he dey tell them say he wan rent apartment. Once he rent apartment finish in the night, Abat he wan reheba magba. O wan mo viobo kan heavy vie. Oso why you we huoro? He don't rent an apartment for Lagos. I beg. I beg, return that money, give them. No go Lagos. No go Lagos. A campaign ou a campaign for Towagba. Abat, he remain 3 years more. More 3 years to go, my brother. Come and finish what you started. Don't be a pay as you go. Don't be a pay as you go. A pay as you go is somebody that will collect money from you and tell you, I will help you to execute this job, just like the way they are doing it in the transportation in UK. The way they are doing it in UK underground system is pay as you go, they call it. It is pay as you go, they call it. I don't get mad to it. I say, me, I still tease us small. It's pay as you go, they call it. Abat, please come back home. Finity saga. Well, actually for you. I see about it with him. It too do. It don't do a lot of people, not be lie. It too do. The truth. For politics, my brothers and sisters, we grow up inside politics. You understand? We grew up inside politics. That's why sometimes they had me to divert. I know they do saga. But for politics, I feel ready talk with my mouth. See, politics, they know they insult who know they campaign. They know they even they insult for politics. They know they go dig a dirty this, dirty that, come out. No. No defamation of character during politics. But now how about all of us learn from her? Now he had we learn her say, you must be brutal, you must insult this, you must bring this one down, you must bring this one down. Even the day they remove Adam Saliu Oshomole from national chairman, Abat and Ebosto, they were dancing and rejoicing at the beer parlor. Abat, you told him, Ebosto, who were here kuenfu? You hear me? Una hear me? The day where they demote Comrade Adam Saliu Oshomole, how were Boston Bare Beer Palo? A Keroma Gabati Yogon Bogojun whether you are Boston. They were happy, jubilating. When an Edo father was going down, Abat and Eboston, we are jubilating. Iana Agogo. I walk pani mateve nebu we fedra. Iana Agogo, where I see a radiowa. Amakwene Nike yo. Odubu was supposed to be NDDC chairman. Amakwene ojo. Ivye donasiye yeki yana agogo. When they announced and suspended, Abat and Eboston, we are happy. Why when I go on matter why? Abat, you and Eboston, now tell Edo people, how una say make we talk for this una matter? When they say they don't go give a power double NDDC chairman plus pa Victor Ekato. But Aneboston a pepper soup joint in Anawaya Afiae. But lost his voice. Eboston lost his voice in Amaigame voice. They were so happy. They were jubilating. Why do Hami Mawu Wagui? See, if na packaging, pack am. Abat, Eboston never cry, come out. You hear me? Eboston never cry, come out. Those are our papa, then we una beat. Why when he had to agogoa? Where he kuwa wazagaverio. Utoge, my brother. Utoge. He? Abino bi una gada rona wona say make a pa Adam Saliu Oshomole make no etabini. Now una gada rona mo Abat. Now you and Eboston gada go rona. Boston am he was running up and down. Boston have your bongo dukun. Hey, Oshobe. Then you know what Oshobe? Why we kuni Zara? Why tie? Or Mazara? Couple it together. That friendship, couple it together. Move on. Wa betray Egbuwa. Wa weregbe son aku. We don't need to hear it. We don't need to hear it. Don't move on without a Boston. How about don't move on without a Boston? Move on. Stay away. Mutari, stay away. Stay away from where? A partner who where? Nuwagba so bobo. I'm a partner na mi wife. You guys have two brothers. If you ever met a working, you know walk back for fork back with we. If you ever met working, who come? On a mwe bereti not by mwe bereti. Eri wawa we kwese. Abat. Yeah. God's power great. Abat, not try amo. Boston never come and say on the quarrel. That is what makes him a man. He never come and say una de quarrel. That is what makes him a man. Truly. Now you now Ferron come out. Okay. They plan to use a battle. Yeah. Now be you say you be a wage that they use. Then go can't use you now. Then go can't use you now. How about say na him be the egbe wager, the Okonga of in Edo land. Go see now the warrior or my never enanya. Another person now he don't they find the trouble again now. He don't they go look for comrade show trouble now. Give you Osazee no holding. Give you Apostle Alfred. Give you Manike ya a comrade show give you Mundana. Because the man voice out say, he not do again, he not support. Me Fulani yes me take over land. Abat in a way wilano. Abat. You they go Lagos. The Lagos state governor don't sign at the grazing bee say, he no one see them. Unam see what the governor do. Yes now. And I'm truth. Infinity Saga, you are saying the truth. Then deceive the youth. A lot of Edo youth fall put. We have to say the truth. A lot of people fell into a bad way. Okay, comrade show now say, he no one me Fulani take over a land. Obviously, na we don't agbo ba. Now do I where the governor was coming to your show. So you were jealous of the governor going there. You were jealous of the governor. You were being paid. Me beg you know we talk balowe. Or one balowe. I don't fair tell you. You get big platform. Governor not on your platform. Because maybe get what the governor see for your body where you not like. Utalogbe. Too much of enviness is not good or bad. Okay, if person can't they support governor. About every situation. If person can't they support governor, he can't say he not do again. He not like the way things be for Edo. You are you even bigger than Chasi Daosa to voice out now? Are you bigger than Chasi Daosa now to say he not even know where governor they go again? This is not what they want. This is not what they bargain for. Are you bigger than the man? Are you bigger than somebody trying to say, this is not what we voted for you for? Work for Edo people. The whole of Edo land is erosion. Unu anseti muye Facebook. Unu anseti ta. For people to support you, and at the end of the day, they are not saying what you are doing, they don't like it. Then you know that you have to work on yourself and change and give them what they voted you for. It's simple. It's what Comrade Show is doing. He has his right. We live in a free world. A democracy at here. Mali via military regime. If you go look Guinea that day, when they do remove their president, the Guinea people, they are happy that the soldier can't remove their president, come out. Exactly. Una they see things now. Una they see what they do. The day when they destroy Kabaka Hotel. About if it be say Boston a person where be say he go do person bad, Boston feel ready to go beg, but he think be or who you will not go and beg. Because you see, say that your platform is your pride. If you go beg, your pride come down. That be what you they do. If it be say Boston not be person, if it be say don't they do gra. But now picking way be say, if you don't do bad finish, you go say, this thing where I do, it not good though. May I go beg? Then you can't say person like that, say he betray you. Now person where be say, he use the brain. Mugu fon guy man chop. Come Mugu fon guy man chop. Since you say you be Odunga, they do Odunga, they go. He not be Odunga. If he offend people, if he ready, go kneel down, go beg them, make them forgive him. Since Odunga were a big platform, my brother, where Odunga were. For now, leave Ebostone. As far as Ebostone never come out, can't talk one word. He never come out, can't say anything. If you not bring out on social media, many of us for not know waiting they go on. Again, why are you mama here? You are on your own, Abat. Abat, you are on your own. Say you go they record you now. That one I mean no like because it's against the law. It's against the law. Truth has to be told. It's against the law. You cannot record anybody without permission. Huh? You Boston and Tony Kabaka they be not get quarrel. Now the way where you come you and Boston come they do pepper them balale pepper them balale pepper them oh why ya pepper Kabaka mo viero ikedo hawe ebo Oritana obiere ebo to boy na wegi san re we e wanta no ahwe mia o o giemu owu ogifie baba agui it's possible we one more yaga menwa we o one more yaga o ewe yiyan awu emi dada man yiyan me de ni e ya yin mi o wan ya exactly you the follow up Infinity isagani wo wari eyin ni were gbegbegbe kwe awa tage mi eso iwo vere iron machine e get wetin na cho na me be egbe weja I must be commissioner I must get this I must get that I must be this. I am the biggest I have the biggest platform. I am this. I recruited all these people. Agreed. Infinity. It's way. Banyuma. It's way, Baba. Wayawa Wesi. Make her just cut and short. It's almost 9. May we go do wakekeeping for 24 bits. How about? No, they look for who not find you. No, they look for who not find you. If they support governor, they can't say they know they support again. Leave them to their own reason. Leave them, not be everybody get wicked mind like you. Not be everybody. You are one foul-sided person. Obakba uke. Now one place you they look. Now one side you they look, those pictures where you they go show at those people, this na airport road, this na Savior. Umagi mwa camera leganya. You no con they carry camera, they go show at those people again. Wetin can't stop you? Airport road not there again. You have forgot show us where that they renovate for Edo State. So if anybody support anybody and they feel like they don't want support again, leave them alone. They have their right. No con they criticize that person. Hey, you not do again. Only 6 months where you take support governor. 6 months, is it not big enough? Because they don't want to, they don't have the mind to deceive Edo people. Where Eminem man where he or Mao is good, is good, is good. Thank you, Infinity. It's way we say. We say my bokaninya, my begbinya no can. We say it the way it is. We observe things before we make our judgment. So now, so I see for all these things. Our bat need to change. How many people in don't fight for this social media? When you also not be politician. You go leave your political arena, you can't go the saga who not be politician. Javier. When you believe my political opponent, both the one where you with and their politics. Now so you the bulldozer those way their social media. You know good now. Now be your house where they cook rice, then they fry dodo. They must eat that dodo together. They must, Albert and Eboston must eat that dodo together. We know 1 year said that they quarrel. We know 1 year said that they quarrel. We know 1 year. We know 1 year. You feel say what you get against Eboston. When man and Eboston may against you. If you be saying Eboston own big pass your own, you don't know. My brother, let this thing just keep calm and move on with your life. It don't happen, it don't happen. May you see and say, now the soup where you give other people, now they still serve you so. Now the soup where you give another person, they serve you. Not be everybody get the mind, say, I need to just carry any meat to follow everywhere. It's possible, but still not get the mind, say, making job because of politics. Your job can become enemy of the whole Edo people. You feel faint or faint, no problem. Faint. Ya say cookie we fanta no. Faint. Faint. Because about an Eboston, they not let us hear. They not let us hear more. Their jubilation when they not give Paudubu NDDC, Ekato NDDC chairman, our Baba Osomole, Vami and winner, they must finish. We don't want hear more. We don't want hear. We say Rame, we say, man, I eat you na. When you be out, when you go, you strong go, Infinity. It's way, we say. Same year, we see. Why we see. No, we are but no. Not go Lagos, my brother. Just stay there, Amagba there. You can run your business from Amagba. You can run your business from Amagba. Now, true, I tell you. No go waste money, go carry flats. Money there. Your base is in Amagba. Your base is in Amagba. Not be everybody get that mind, eh? See as he just jump, come out. Catch me 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. A comrade that will be talking to comrade show. They may not need them more about. So the man not get in mind to tell say, I not fit follow. Tomorrow, me fit decide, say, okay, governor, do wetin I want. Waiting me, they stressing for make it do for Edo people. I feel support them tomorrow. You cannot force anybody. They have their own mind. Not be say person when they support governor before. He can't say you not do again. You can't come and come they attack that person, they laugh. We're moving. Anything can happen. That is politics. Now you are about to change Edo politics. Now you are about to change Edo politics to politics or bitterness, hatred. Bueno. Now I'm a bush inspector, you know. But now he change am because why? You see why I talk am? When I see the day when they do election, when a Boston come see APC youth chairman, I swear, DVD oil. He go shake am, then dance to then shake am, then take picture together. Now politics be that. No be the one where you can't go throw away face. How about go see other people? He go throw away face, go corner. Now only a Boston they go greet. That day during the election that they vote. Upon say a Boston say wahuma. He still go meet and then go greet. How about no understand politics? He just jump enter politics. He just create problem everywhere. Make enmity follow everywhere. I mean, where banya do where you because if you get what you do for, you will for not day Lagos. Now so me and they talk my own. My people 9 o'clock. Yeah, I'm back at 24 BT. Yeah, vi bata me your way. Now so online manana gbogima. Now do way. Finity wa beg anywhere no naro la vi asho and wakba watch me and they share to my people too. Even if na 1 minute too and they see the share give them. May they for see. Abati win your Lagos yo Iviedo. Abati win your Lagos yo. Lagos in Abati na mwe Tinubu yaga. Owe yama gwa le Tinubu. Wa no me mi na Abati aya uwe kene Tinubu ye. Iviedo wa yemi Abati no were gbe o. Wa we no day. Abati win yama gwa le Tinubu. Wa ri no me nyami na Abati gi na bwe Tinubu kia. Abati, why are you not going to Tinubu? Tinubu is staying in Lagos or Abat. I don't know be Lagos. I beg you, my brother. I beg you. Just suffer jejely stay for Amagbade. More la wogorami. Ime yimia. One say Yamagba. May we all just swim out together. De kenu agi ya fi wasota gbera o. Wagimaya yimo e kenu fien. You understand that part? Not be the one where you come run leave them. Go see for Lagos now. Lagos state governor say, if he see one cow, one melu for outside, it's 50,000 to go claim her. If he see 20, times 20 now, 20 times 50,000 naira. Amami ekbo e rohimanya. A Lagos state governor Jui Yorene. One melu, if he see her for outside, is 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira. Your melu go find people trouble. Is 50,000 naira. Where for Edo? Melu kulavi ya lawa. Fulani esme, they are in our forest. Abati magwankani. Fulani esme, they are in our forest. Erita ese Edo. Wagume imye, neje wo ne Tinubu je. Alao. Abat, ejo, ojo teme, lao. Ejo, o Tinubu rodo. O Tinubu ga adie do ka me Tinubu where do not be Lagos. You should go back. Abat la wo. Eme Tinubu ikere akama we Abat go back to Benin la wo woteme eye kwe mwima. Wa to tayedo. Wa to tayedo. Mo amagbani awaswe na Rome. O sewe. Ya go khoro junction ya Federal Roads. O go wa fun. Ya uselu ugbowo. O go wa fun. E 400,000 orun opate ni. Osaya dige gota. Mata mawe na eta. E mata mawe na eta. Ara miewe gbigo veri oni we. Ogelese otimana bonwe boso. Okeke ni governor ori owu iyo. Okeke no ori owu iyo. But mama emi the evidence will bowe. Because oman ori o my 400,000. E ki ave ya amo me 200,000. If do wa ve ga veri o. Rimeve ya gogo me o. I they look both sides at the win. He say a Boston they collect 400,000 every day. Automatically it go be millionaire. So who they collect 400,000? You know if you go they borrow person, go say can't give me 200,000, can't give me 50,000. Now Una understand now? Me get 400 every day. Then I'll come the third person give me 200. A 200,000 we don't see no denya. Rita ese o wa agui mereva vie proof la dia. Rime do I vie proof ni la dia ado we ebo. A governor ihoni wa ya adigave gota no ho ale kwanye dore. Because so one there bungbe do mud house too plenty. All those mud house, the more rain they beat them, the more many go they sink they go. Only your go down are sunk. That's why I talk and rich. On a good night, my people. Happy weekend. Till we meet again another day. Good evening to you all. Have a lovely weekend. Oh, Sister Pikis, good evening. Happy weekend. Good night.